Oh, no, Ellie, you have to stop now. You're gonna learn.
Maybe say sit?
No, it's not this.
Tiki tiki tiki
Don't touch.
Food. I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So, yeah. So, I went to the fridge and I opened up the meat drawer. You know what the meat drawer is, right?
Yeah? What was in there?
Well, I'll tell you what was in there. You know that bacon that's like maple? Got maple flavor?
The maple kind, yeah?
Yeah, so
Yeah?
I took that out and I thought,
Yeah?
I know who would like that. Me! So I ate it.
Oh!